Fans of the 80s US TV show Knight Rider will be familiar with the driverless car. 3 decades on, it's still a concept, but Mercedes-Benz is bringing it closer to reality. The F015 Luxury In Motion drove itself into this year's International Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas, carrying the show's president, Gary Shapiro.
I enjoyed it tremendously. That is futuristic. You know, it's a very odd feeling to totally give up the wheel to a robot.
The car is electrically powered and monitors the road using stereo cameras, radar and ultrasonic sensors. Inside, its high-res touch screens control light, temperature and even email. You can host a video conference or watch a movie, and once activated, gestures and eye tracking can be used to operate the internal systems. Dieter Zetscher, CEO of Daimler, Mercedes-Benz parent company, believes it will change the way we think about cars.
30 years ago I was seeing these pictures and was dreaming of these kind of cars. Now to be part of the realization is fantastic, but I think we have a responsibility. We are running a company which has invented the car, so we should be the ones to prepare the reinvention of the car, and that's exactly what we are doing.
Mercedes isn't alone in designing a car that drives itself. Its German rival Audi has sent one on a 550-mile trip from San Francisco to Las Vegas. And Google's driverless vehicles have been undergoing tests since 2010. Analysts say it's no gimmick. A recent report by Morgan Stanley concluded driverless cars could boost the global economy by $5.6 trillion due to increased productivity and fewer accidents.
This car is not only able to determine when it's safe to cross the road, it can even display a crosswalk on the street. It also actively tells you when it is safe to start walking across.
Many cars already have basic autonomous functions like parking sensors and cruise control. Some experts are predicting the ultimate driverless vehicle could be on sale before the end of the decade.